Do you want to become a better artist? Well, you're in the right place. My name is Lisa, and with over 9,000 students taught, I am here to help you. So, welcome to the Sketchbook Studio. I am super excited you're here to learn more about it. So, I'd like to start with the tour. And I have been an art teacher for 18 years. I am really excited. These are some of my goals for our community. And this community is for any age. I've also made a freebie. If you guys come on in, you can get over 50 free sketchbook prompts. It's a downloadable PDF. You can keep it online or digital or print it off. This is some of the artwork by some amazing members in our community. Big shout out to them. There's some amazing people, very supportive, very fun, and they have learned so much. They're doing so awesome. And I have a real path for you to follow in here. So there's no confusion about what comes next. All the different modules connect to each other and help you build and grow and until you reach mastery. So let's look around. When you come into my school, we have our community and we have updates. Our tabs introduce yourself, sketches, and member art gallery. We're in here sharing every day. When you come into the classroom, I'll direct you to the start here. It introduces me to you. We have our prompt cards, foundations. When you open into the foundations, that's really where you really want to start. And it has so many good things, including a 7-day sketchbook challenge. So I've been participating in these as well, and I look forward to seeing all of the great things that you're creating. Let's go back to the classroom. As you work through, there are some modules that I'm still building, um, and you'll be able to get to those as you work through each one. Now, realistic sketching practice, intermediate growth, mastery stage. If you go into our practice library, you can find our daily sketches, and it's prompted for kids or beginners or advanced. You can do whichever one you feel good with and whichever one. So we are on July 6th. So a place you'd like to go. You could come in here and then share it with each other, get some feedback from other members. We have so many members in here. They're from all over the world. Super fun. I am really excited to be able to share this with you, and I look forward to meeting you. So please come and try the 7-day free trial. I'd love to get to know you and know more about your art. I'll see you soon. Okay, bye bye.